Hello, and welcome to Foxtecc. In today's video, we're going to cover how to turn off name drop on your iPhone. This feature has been around since iOS 17, and while it's a great tool for easily sharing contact information by holding two iPhones together, there might come a time when you want to disable it, whether it's for privacy concerns or simply personal preference. I'll guide you through the steps to turn off name drop. Name drop on iOS 17 allows you to share your contact information by holding two iPhones close to each other. It's a convenient feature, but if you decide you no longer want to use it, there are a couple of ways to disable it. First, let's talk about disabling the contact card that you share with others over name drop. To do this, you'll need to open the Contacts app on your iPhone. Once there, select My Card, which is your personal contact card. Here, you have the option to turn off the sharing of your contact card entirely. If you don't want to disable it completely, you can customize the information on your card so that only certain details are shared, ensuring that no personal information is inadvertently shared. However, there's another method which I believe is more straightforward. This involves disabling the feature entirely through your iPhone's settings. Here's how you do it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, navigate to General and then select AirDrop. In the AirDrop settings, you'll see an option that says Start Sharing by Bringing Devices Close, and turn off this setting to prevent any proximity-based sharing. By disabling both the contact card sharing and the proximity-based sharing setting, you can ensure that name drop and any form of proximity-based information sharing are completely turned off on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to turn off name drop on your iPhone. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, peace.